This is a group game that you can play with the cards. So you'll have children in pairs or groups of 3. So let's first of all let's set these guys up into different groups. You can have a group there, a group there, one group there, and then that's our fourth group. And then we want our group of 3 to go first. So let's get our first person. They're going to choose a card. So there we go. That's one card chosen, the 4 red discs, and then next group will go and choose. And there we go. We've got 3 reds and a green and so on. And then each group takes turns to go and pick a card. And then we go through the groups again. Yep, that's how it's going to work. There we go. And then finally we'll have there. Excellent. And then let's mark the groups, I suppose. I can't remember what the groups are. I suppose it doesn't matter, but let's imagine we got a red there. You know, these two were the red group. We had the green group, which would have been those two. We'd have had a yellow group, which would have been maybe those ones. So anyway, you'd have those different groups, and then you just see what cards they got. And so if I start with the yellow group, I would have had, yeah, we've got a 36 and a 16 and a 24. So all of that would add up to 76. There we go. So the yellow group gets 76, and then the green group would have got, let's see, we've got 40, 60. Oh, they got 100, bang on 100. If we were going for 100, that's usually a good number to go for. And then we have the red group, and the red group would have got 33 and 81, that would be 114. So lots of ways that you could go about doing this. You might want to have larger groups, and they get to, as soon as they choose, they get to see their numbers. Or once they've all chosen, they get to see their numbers, turn them back over, and then they can move again. You could do that as many times as you like. The idea, of course, is that they start getting to know some of these numbers and notice some of the patterns. So love to hear how you're using it as well. Please tell us in the comments, and hopefully we'll get some great ideas from you.